Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me introduce you to the most beautiful shelves that just elevated the entire look of our living room. These floating shelves are from Homeforia, and these ones specifically are in the 24-inch size. I absolutely was blown away at not only how beautifully packaged these were when I received them, but at the superior quality of these shelves. They are made of a beautiful, nice, solid wood and handcrafted, which allows you to continue to see the natural look and wood grain of these shelves. I love that because these shelves are natural, they are slightly different and diverse, unique, but also seamlessly matched together. They can be installed in studs preferably, but also it comes with the drywall anchors that you need to safely install them. I specifically loved that these shelves had an industrial metal bracket, which helps to increase the support of them. I know that they're very nice, stable, and securely mounted against the wall with this metal bracket. I was drawn to these also because of the nice wide width. They are 6.5 inches wide, which gives you plenty of space to easily decorate the shelves with a variety of size items. I love that these shelves allow me to switch up the decor in our living room and really allows me to customize the space. I was extremely impressed at the ultimate quality of these shelves. Not only are they absolutely gorgeous, but they are extremely strong and sturdy, which was important to me. So if you want to have a premium handcrafted floating shelf in your home, I would look no further than this beautiful set from Homeforia. And that's my point of view.